Okay, I have already recorded a video on how to add and connect the device in my previous video. Now I'll see what can the IR remote control do. Let's see what other control it can add. STB, TV, air conditioner, TV box, fan, DVD, light, projector, audio, camera, water heater, air purifier, and DIY. Which means if it's not available in the options, you can do it yourself. So of all the equipment here, I only have the TV and the air conditioner. So let's try on the air conditioner. So my air conditioner is a Daikin. So since my last video, I mentioned that mine only works at the 19. So I wonder if the others work. So let's try. Oh, number 44, it's a bit different. Okay, it's not working as well. So mine only works at 19, which is the one that I already added. And as usual, I can put down and put up the temperature and on off button. And I guess you have to compare it with my controller. There is fan mode. There is dehumidify and cooling, which I usually only use cooling. It's hot here in Malaysia. And the air volume, medium, low, and high. And auto. And it seems to be all that I can click from here. Nothing else. One thing that I use here is the timer. It's very important for me, but I cannot use it through this app here. So let's see if I can modify it. Then I realized the DIY, it also has its type of devices and brand. And it doesn't have an air conditioner here, so you cannot DIY an air conditioner controller. And for example, the TV, even it's a DIY, you still have to choose the brand. Like mine is a Philips. And then we shall start doing it yourself here. Okay, let's try that later. So let's see if it can totally replace the controller. The on-off button works perfectly. The on takes a little while, but it also happens to my controller. Then the volume button. Okay, it's working. Volume down, so it's working. And the mute button. Okay, you can see it's mute. And the unmute button. Channel. Channel is not working. You cannot change channel. What about this back? Oh, so back button, it's actually changing the channel. So what about 1, 2, 3? What's 1, 2, 3? Oh, okay. Can I click channel here? Okay, no reaction if I click channel from the numbers. So what about more? Oh, my TV doesn't seem to have all this, so it doesn't matter. What have I not tried? What is this? Oh, so from here, I can use the left and right. Like if I choose setting. Okay, I can use this for my setting as well. Back. Okay, back. Okay, cool. Since the channel button is not working, you can click edit, and then you click copy button. Okay, so long press the button to study. Oh, it detected the channel down. Okay. Oh, you can now change channel. Long press, and then you take your remote control and you click the plus button at the device, and then channel up. Okay, so you're done. Study button done. So now you can change your channel as well. So what about adding the 1, 2, 3? Let's edit. And copy button. 1. And then I'll click 1. So detect number 1. Okay. So let's do the rest. So now, when you click 1, 2, 3, 8. Does it change to channel 8? Oh, it's working. So, in conclusion, this television app here works good. You can customize the buttons that you normally use, and you can control it through your phone. Since so, can I do the same to my aircon? There's a delete button, only one delete button, or any edit button, different with the one with the TV. So I cannot edit this one. So no hope, I cannot add my timer inside. And you can use voice assistant if you have a Timo Genie or a Google Assistant.